Business video. It can work well on your site's landing page, YouTube, or even other social media channels. But if you are thinking of doing it yourself, the whole idea might seem daunting. In fact, you might find it hard figuring out where to begin. Worry not. To make your DIY journey easier, we have compiled all the equipment you might need to get started. First, assemble your lighting kit. We know this sounds like hard work, but a lighting kit can be assembled with just one trip to the hardware store. Look for LED bulbs, clip lights, extension cords, and clothespins. Also, if you are going to use your smartphone, you will need a stand which you can get from Amazon. Want to shoot like an expert? Add camera and mics to your shopping list. Smartphone videos don't require much investment and can be a great option for cost-effective business videos. But camera and mics can take both quality and cost up a notch. For mics, there is lavalier and shotgun. In case of moving objects, pick lavalier. For stationary video sets, opt for shotgun. Time to get your hands dirty with editing. Once the video is shot, you will need a professional editing software. We recommend Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. For animated videos, we use Illustrator for designing and After Effects for animation. Plus, you should have a graphic optimized high RAM system. We have now built your DIY cart for you. Hop on!